Emma and Anna. Thank you so much for this wonderful birthday gift. Here's my gift. We'll open it. There we go, guys. Let's open the gift. Let's see. Let's turn it over. And I'll show you. It's a roses. There you go. It's very nice. Let's open again. There you go. And here. So base is already included. Let's open. Cut natin to. There's already a base included. Roses. Very nice. Thank you, Emma and Anna. And here's the base. No, I already did. There you go. Awesome. We'll see how many flowers.
12, I know.
12?
You
Yes?
sure?
No, it's a lot.
Okay, come.
Let's remove this rubber band.
Boy, those are nice.
This is beautiful.
Sure is.
Look
Wow.
at that. Picture. Now guys, I will prepare this flower to put it in the base, and I will
At an angle.
in an angle, and then you put it in here, so, and I'll show you to you later when I'm done. Okay, hold on. I'll go put this powder here. I'll just want one, and then I'll show it to you later. Wait guys, with some water. So guys, I have this water already with the powder. Just a little bit in an angle like that. The other one. Nice, beautiful. Birthday gift is awesome. Thank you, thank you. So count it, honey, how many? So 2, 4, 6, 6. 7. So before that, guys, I will read to you what it said in the card. Here, give it to me, Han. I will read it.
Yeah. Did you already read it?
No, not yet.
Very nice.
So it said, thinking of you. LB, that's what we call each other, my best friends. Okay. Happy birthday, LB. May you have many more to come, more travels and adventures too. LB Anna and LB Emma. Thank you, Emma and Anna. Thank you so much. Let's put it here while I'm doing the flowers. cutting the flowers. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 flowers, roses, 36
Three
roses,
dozen.
3 dozens of red roses. Thank you so much. What a great birthday present.
Yeah, I bought them. You should have told him. My husband brought me these. But my friend sent them.
Oh my God, I really love it.
Well, they are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. Okay, my husband is there. Go in the side so you can see it.
Yeah, they're very, very nice. They're actually beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
I added one more base here. So let's put the rest. Okay, look at honey.
Oh boy. That's nice,
Beautiful.
huh?
Happy
That is
birthday
beautiful.
to me.
Isn't that nice?
Happy birthday to
To
me.
you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me, Belinda. Thank you, Lord, for another year of life.
Emma and Anna, what you did is outstanding. We appreciate you so very much. Thank you with lots of love and goodbye.
Okay, thank you guys. This is just Belinda. Welcome to my channel. Roses and the flowers. Roses, food and water, cut the stems, trim leaves, and cut and refresh. So one flower base, I put it here in the hallway. The second one is here in the living room. There you go, in the TV. There, very beautiful.
Work a picture.
The third one is here in the table, the dining table.
Very nice, huh,
Very
Mama?
nice.
I like it.
Kung ngayon lang kayo nakapanood guys, welcome and thank you so much. Bye!